The all-new Honor X7D. 5-star SGS Premium Drop Resistant, 6,500 milliampere per hour. Super large battery. IPS Honor X7D. Extra tough, extra power.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiskitimes.co.za. It's Devon City 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Orlando Pirates bayake on top of Betway Premiership with 28 points. Baza kulo mdlalo be level on points with the current defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns on 25 points. Namhlanje Orlando Pirates picked up yet another 3 points in the last 10 games, winning 9, drawing 1, and that draw was against the second placed Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember a couple of weeks ago, Loftus Stadium, where they played 1-1. Umdlalo benubukele noTsopa. Tsoka ngicela. Remember last season naniwina ku league no Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Your longest winning streak. Do you still remember how many games?
I think it was 9.
9 straight games.
Yeah.
Last season where you guys won the league.
Yeah.
Now Orlando Pirates are on 10 straight games,
Yeah.
but 9 wins, but not straight. 9 wins out of 10.
Yeah.
Xa ubajongile so ubanayo laa ndithi maybe, just maybe, this might be their season where they finally win the cup that has eluded them for the past 13 years.
Athi ngicela ukubulisa ke lana ke ngibulisa uMr Nkewu, ngibulisa Stizi, ngibulisa chairman, ngibulisa Chucks. Bobo Khaduso, Lindo Mkwena. Amhlekazi omhle.
So
Ongasukubhubha ngecala.
legend.
Nginibulisa nani emakhaya. Cela support njalo iTiski TV. Ngizobe nje njalo ngichike futhi. Shane, number 1, I will say well done to Orlando Pirates, well done to Coach Wadu and the boys. And look, I don't want to miss any action of Orlando Pirates playing. I don't want, I don't care what no matter what the storm kanjani, but it's a must for me to watch. It's so exciting to watch Orlando Pirates.
Wadu ball is so entertaining. Awufuna uphosa iwadu ball so.
Shane, you can see the work of the coach. You can see how he gets the best out of his players. One thing that I'll say now, and I used to tell Mr. Nkewu for quite some time, years, not months or weeks, years. Ngithi mina, if Umakhopa can get a good coach, this boy can be a good striker. If Umakhopa can get a good coach, he can be a good striker. Because, one, I look at his age, he's 24.
Yeah.
He's got a height. He's not bad with the ball. He just needs a coaching. And this thing of him chasing right, left, you'll find him in the midfield, you'll find him chasing until the defense. Now he's got a very good coach. He's coaching him. You can see his movement. You can see what man. You are totally coaching. Today I was so impressed. If I will say this is not Makhopa that I know. People they will say, no, Dota, you are lying.
What's this major change? Maybe tell me 1 or 2. Also identify like Makhopa. Emenza a bit different under Coach Wadu.
1, how he controls the ball.
Yeah.
First touch shack. He knows I'm alone. I need to protect that ball and wait for the guys to come. Then I can release the ball. 2, you don't find him now all over the place. You find him in good areas now.
Playing more closer to the box. Okay.
If Shane,
Okay.
if you want to cook, I'm gonna go peg the gate. There's no way. You must go to the kitchen and cook.
Yeah.
So that's what Umakhopa is doing.
Yeah.
Umakhopa, he's there in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Even when he goes out and have a touch, he goes out, have a touch, and then he goes back to his position. Yes, he's not yet, but I'm very impressed because he's always there. And then look at how he scored a goal. I said to Gulindo, I've been saying this for years. You can't be a lone striker and all over the place. And now it's worse now that you've got Moremi, you've got Tito, you've got King Ama 2000, you've got Apolise, you've got Umbule, you've got Umbata. You've got all the attacking players, all the good players. You are surrounded with good players. What do you want outside? Stay there. Then they will cook for you and put that plate there in your hands so that you can eat. And for me, how he scored the goal again. Some strikers, they find themselves in that good position, but some they fail.
Yeah.
Some, I'm telling you, some they fail to convert. We watch all these games week in, week out. We see players in that era where they are in a hurry. When they're supposed to hold the ball, have a touch, and then you choose a spot, they prefer to go first time, and then they miss. Good touch, first touch, and then good finish. Look, I'm very, very impressed with how Umakhopa is playing. And well done to Coach Wado, because you can see that he's been coaching Umakhopa. Umakhopa is our top Bafana striker, and we need him at his best.
Tell me, so what is happening in Black Defense, Orlando Pirates, the center back partnership between Bogazi and Sibisi, especially first half?
Yeah.
There were cracks here and there. I think Gavin Hunt, maybe it was a matter of him putting more pressure on them, but second half they were better. I think the introduction of Umakhishin made things better for them, because I think he protected them better. But what was happening there, and because even against Cheaper, you could see there were a couple of mistakes between the two centre backs. What's happening there too?
No, I think CBC, I think he lost confidence, because he's not the CBC that I also know. Yes, he's not the best defender, but when he's there on his day, he will do the job very, very well. But the past two games, he's a bit shaky. He's a bit shaky, and today again, that's why you'll find Umbogazi at some point he's worried about covering him than picking up a player. There was a pass that Domingo played for Ulwambu or the striker. He made a very good run, and Domingo played that pass. And why Umbogazi was late, he comes from covering Usbis. And I even said half time, that's my worry, that they're at the back, they're shaking both of them. And now Umbogazi was worried about covering Ulonduzana Usibis than playing his role in this position. That has been been clever and smart of him to say, I can see my teammate that today is not at his best, so I cannot expose him, even though I know that I need to do my job here. But I must make sure that my partner, he feels protected. He feels that, I've got a comfort here. Here I'm okay. I can sleep. But nevertheless, it happens when I share in football that sometimes players, you are not. It's not your day.
Yeah.
Some players it happens for a month. Some players it happens for 2 months. It just comes that season, that period where you trying to do the right things,
and
but
it's not
working.
And you must remember, he is currently he is the reigning defender of the season.
Yes,
so you can't run away from that fact.
But it happens.
That's normal. We have sometimes to point out, okay, there's something happening there. Not that we are criticizing, no, but we have to point out to this is no, they were a bit shaky in the first half.
Yeah, Shane, it does happen. I hope he's just gonna get his confidence quickly, because we also need him for the final, and he needs to be at his best, his best. And the other player that I was not really happy how he was playing today, Utito. I'm not really gonna say him personally, but how his teammate, in terms of supporting him, they played the balls for him to make runs, and that's not his strength. If you want Tito to be the best Tito that we all know, give him the ball in the feet, then Tito will show you what is it that he can do. And so that's one thing that I was not really happy. But with touches of Orlando Pirates, there was a move between Makhopa played a very beautiful pass. It's rare to say a striker to play that pass. When a striker play that pass, you need to stop the game, finish.
So tell me, just before Sival, I've already gotten a signal from Ucha, so go to my Sival. Orlando Pirates, by December, they're on top of the log. Things might change on Wednesday. Sundowns is playing. Things might change. We don't know what's going to happen. But tell me, so if Orlando Pirates with Christmas baya kwi-AFCON behleli on top of i-Betway Premiership, izakwenzani loo nto engqondweni yabo? Because I can't even remember the last time baya kwi-Christmas sitting on top of the table.
Shane, this is good for Orlando Pirates, good for the coach, for the players, the technical team, that, they've been working hard. I mean, if you look at how the season started, they started not in a good manner, but, they pick up the pieces from there. And look at them now. I mean, playing 9 games, not losing any game. It says a lot about the team itself and the players. And to see them on top of the log right now, it's something that really they should be proud of. The hard work that they've been putting, training, the sacrifice, the coach, listening to the coach and do exactly what the coaches ask them to do. For me, they should be proud about themselves. And he's going to make this league to be very, very interesting this season when Pirates are sitting on top. And I hope they will sit on top until we come back for the what you call after the AFCON. And see how Sundowns are going to bounce back if it happens like that.
Mr. Tsoenso, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Benedicto Vilakazi, Orlando Pirates legend, Orlando Pirates all-time leading top goal scorer, Benedicto Vilakazi. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo we-Orlando Pirates ne-Durban City. Nalapho ke Orlando Pirates the yaphumelela khona ke ngo-2-0 amanqaku from Evidence Mahopa no-Tito Maswanganye, making sure ukuthi they are collecting all the maximum points kulo mdlalo namhlanje, making sure ukuthi Orlando Pirates after 12 games they are sitting on top of i-Betway Premiership with 28 points. At Durban, namhlanje Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 0. Thank you so much for watching iTCTV.
Shapunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.